Welcome to Homework Help by RG. This channel helps you to score more marks without going to tuitions. Do you know what is the mantra of getting top rank in exams? It's not so simple. Those who practice throughout the year can make it to the top only. So, to make your struggle interesting, we have brought to you a new competition. No, it's not a logo making competition this time. Not even a tagline writing competition. Here's a good news for the writing lovers. This time, it is a paragraph writing competition. And I think every student must participate in this competition. Not only to win, but to test your writing skills, your imaginative power, and your knowledge database. So, without wasting much time, let's disclose the competition now. This competition has been organized by mygov.in. As you can see on the screen, just type mygov.in in the search bar and press enter. You will come on this site. After scrolling a little down, you will see this competition. Paragraph writing competition on different dimensions of the Gandhian thought. You know, as it was Mahatma Gandhi's birthday on 2nd October, that's why our government has initiated this paragraph writing competition for students and others also. Let's see the details. The themes to write the paragraph are: first one is, how do I practice non-violence in my daily life? Second, how do I contribute towards a culture of peace? Third is the most important Gandhian value which the world should follow today. And the last one is, which is the most important thing I learned from the life of Mahatma Gandhi. Last date of submission is 24th October 2020. On clicking on terms and conditions, you can see this PDF and read all the terms and conditions. Participants can write paragraphs in either Hindi or English in maximum 500 words on any of the following 4 topics. So, you can write in any one language, either Hindi or English. Any participant exceeding the word limit or shifting to more than one paragraph will be disqualified. While participants can quote from references, more than 10% plagiarism, if found, will lead to disqualification. So, just don't try to copy and paste from YouTube or Google. You can take help from there, but try to write in your own words. Participants need to send their write-up typed in MS Word format in Hindi or English or PDF and not scan the photographs of their handwritten works. Consider it properly. Any such handwritten scanned documents will lead to disqualification. English font should be Times New Roman 12 font size and Hindi font should be Kruti Dev 10/14 font size. All the participants will be given a talking book on Mahatma Gandhi's constructive program. Decision of the judges will be final. So, we are done with the terms and conditions. Last date of the submission is 24th October 2020. So, you have ample of time to think and write about this paragraph writing competition. So, guys, what are you thinking about? Change the refills of your pens and start writing to win the competition. Keep checking the channel and our official website ssout.com for the latest updates. We'll be coming with our essays written on the topics given here. See you with an interesting video later on. Till then, bye-bye.